Summertime is the time for watering, and having the right tool for the job makes all the difference. Dramm has been an industry leader in water tools for over 75 years. So founded in 1941 by John Dramm, he invented the very first 400 water breaker, which has become the industry standard. Another reason Dramm is an industry leader is the quality of their tools. Garden Time has been able to visit the factory in Wisconsin, where the tools are made and tested for their durability. We've seen where the tools are tested, the heads are slammed on the ground, the tools are dragged all around, and the valves are turned on and off repeatedly. Most gardeners are familiar with Dramm's watering wand with the adjustable head for multiple patterns. Their newest product has that same great adjustable head, but it's telescopic, and it also has that great one-touch shutoff. So not only does Dramm have the handheld watering tools, they also have a whole line of yard sprinklers, great for watering that larger area.
If you don't have the wand, many of us are familiar with the spray gun with the adjustable spray patterns. And new this year is the adjustable spray gun with the one-touch shutoff.
And for those of you that want to water but don't have to stay at home, you can use the Dramm soaker hose and the timer. Hook this up to your garden faucet, set the time, and walk away.
So we've been talking about hoses and soaker hoses, but what if you can't get to a hose to use it? Well, Dramm also has these great watering cans in many different colors, and you can even remove the little sprinkler head for a more direct spout. And Dramm also makes Drammatic organic fertilizer, which is made from fish byproducts and kelp. So just follow the directions and you could put the concentrate into your watering can and then fertilize all your plants.
So not only does Dramm have this great line of watering tools, but they have a whole line of cutting tools as well. This one came out a couple years ago and does a great job of doing a little bit of like deadheading, cutting in flowers to bring them into the house, or small little projects like that. They've also come out with a whole new line of bypass pruners, which are for those larger jobs. So not only can you water your yard, you can get out and do some pruning too. So to find any of these great tools or watering products from Dramm, visit your local independent garden center. You'll see a huge display in a rainbow of colors. So for more information on Dramm tools, go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to their website.